Now that we solved Advent of Code 2024 day 1, let's see if ChatGPT can solve it as well. So I will take the whole description of the first part of the puzzle and I will copy it directly into ChatGPT. So please solve, I'll put this one, the following problem, input file is attached. I'll put it here, and now let's put in the input file, and let's see if ChatGPT is able to solve it. So right, so it's now reading the file, sorting the list, and then comparing exactly the absolute distance between the left and right number, which is exactly what I've done during the solving of this problem. So the result is the following, and we can confirm that is the correct result. So first part of the problem solved without any problems. So let's see if part 2 is also this easy for ChatGPT. So I'll take part 2 and now try. And let's see. Okay, so it's counting the number of appearances of each number in the second column, and then comparing, then calculating the multiplication of the left number with the number of its appearances in the right column, and then the result is the similarity score, which seems correct. So let's see, the number that it output is exactly the right one. So ChatGPT was able to solve day 1 of Advent of Code without any help, without any additional input, which is pretty impressive. So let's see if this continues through the second day of Advent of Code as well. I will see you tomorrow.